So myEcon just did something that is incredibly smart. And to be honest with you, I did not expect this and didn't even realize this was happening. So I'm going to break that down for you inside of this video, what that is. What is up, my friend DK here? Welcome to the channel. If you're brand new here, if you're checking out myEcon, or if you're just looking for ways to make money from home, please do me a favor and make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content, because you will be the first to know. So what just happened literally days ago is myEcon, for the very first time in 20 years, yes, 20 years in the making, myEcon took their business outside of the United States and they went global, meaning, yes, myEcon is now a global business. And the momentum around this has just been absolutely insane. The night of the launch, I did a midnight launch and was on for almost 2 hours, and just dozens and dozens and dozens of sales were coming in live, and to the point where it was almost, I was literally laughing out loud because it was hysterical, where I could not even keep up with the amount of people that were coming in and trying to get them into the rotator. We have an online global sales rotator where I'm literally helping you make sales live. If you need any of that information, I'm going to leave some links in the description down below. I'll even put the replay to my live launch webinar down below. If you're looking to get started, you want to get in our sales rotator, you want us to make myEcon sales for you, all that information is in the links in the description down below. But one of the things that actually surprised me and kind of caught me off guard a little bit is anytime myEcon over the years does, promotional launches, what they typically do is they have direct links here. So you can see in the enrollment link section here, there's direct links for all the different opportunities. Okay. Whether, someone wants to sign up for 25 or 45 and they want to come in at the 100. And what we thought, and what, most of us here in the field with myEcon, what we kind of thought was that if someone wanted to sign up for the global level, which you could see it right here, okay, this is the global sign up link. So anywhere outside of the United States, it has its own direct link. But what caught us off guard was what they did on top of this. We thought for sure that, people here in the United States or outside of the United States, when you go to market your myEcon affiliate link, that you were just going to have to use, like if you wanted to get sales in Australia or Germany or South Africa or whatever it is, that you would only have to use one link. Well, guess what? That is not the case. Okay. That is 100% not the case. And that is what caught me off guard. And they did something very, very smart. And I want to show you exactly what it is here. So what's really cool is, when we were kind of coaching our team and getting them ready for this global launch, we thought that we would need, you'd have to be marketing kind of two different links. Oh, hey, if you're in the USA, use this link. If you're outside of the USA, use this other link. Well, guess what? No, you don't have to do that. So as an example, let me grab the $100 membership link here. And I want to show you what they did, which is very, very smart. And now it enables you to share any of these links, no matter what link you have out there that you're sharing with myEcon. It's the same thing tied in on the back of our sales funnels with the funnel team. Okay. We give you all those sales funnels for free, the whole system, everything you need. More information on that in the description down below. But we thought we were going to have to kind of like recode a lot of things on the back end, and people would be, sharing multiple links. No, you only share one link now, which is really, really great. So as an example, if I opened up another browser here and I put this link in here, this is what they did, which is really, really smart. Okay. No matter what link you send people to join, it gives you the country list. You select your country. So I just shared the $99 direct sign up link. So if someone selects the United States, boom, it's going to land them right on the $99 sign up page. If someone selects a country outside of the United States, then it's going to default to the $59 sign up, which is for global members only. You can see it right here, $59.95. Okay. So that is a very, very smart move on myEcon's part. So that makes it easy for you, that no matter what link you're promoting, what sales funnel, if you're using one of our team sales funnels, whatever it is that you're doing, you don't need to have multiple links out there. You can literally just go with one link and that will be it. You'll be good to go. You can sign up people inside the United States and outside of the United States. Very sharp decision on myEcon's part. And that's, over the last multiple years, that's why we like partnering with them, because they are such a good, smart business partner. And now that we are officially launched all across the globe, it's just going to be game over, my friend. So if you need more information on who we are, what we do, how you can get involved, all of that stuff, link in the description down below. You can see my full tutorial where I walk you through how you can get over $11,000 in 100% free value just for activating your myEcon membership. And that is at any level, my friend. Any of those levels that you see right on your screen, you get over $11,000 in free value just for getting started, okay? And we're going to make it really stupid simple for you. We're going to plug you into our sales rotator, and we're going to be sharing your link for you. Yes, all across the globe. Appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for watching. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content to my channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.